Are you ready to discover the secret weapon to making thousands on Pinterest with barely any effort? If you're tired of countless hours spent on marketing strategies that just don't work, then you can't afford to miss out on this step-by-step guide that will revolutionize your affiliate game. Stay tuned, because what happens next will blow your mind. All right, let's break this down into 3 key elements: design, copy, and call to action. First up, design. The visual appeal of your pin is crucial. You want eye-catching images, vibrant colors, and clear text overlay. Make sure to use high-quality images that resonate with your target audience. Use Pinterest's recommended aspect ratio of 2:3, such as 1000 x 1500 pixels, to ensure your pin stands out and is easily readable on both desktop and mobile devices. Next is the copy. Your text should be concise, compelling, and directly related to the content you're promoting. Use strong headlines that grab attention and incorporate keywords to make your pins easily searchable. Remember, Pinterest users often look for inspiration and ideas, so your copy should provide value and spark curiosity. Avoid long paragraphs. Instead, use bullet points or short sentences to make your message easy to digest. Finally, we have the call to action CTA. This is where you guide your viewers on what you want them to do next. Your CTA should be clear and urgent, prompting users to take immediate action. Phrases like "learn more," "shop now," or "get yours today" can be very effective. Make sure your CTA stands out visually, perhaps using a different color or a bold font to draw the eye. By mastering these 3 elements: design, copy, and call to action, you will significantly increase the chances of your pins converting. What element do you think will make the biggest difference in your pin strategy? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Are you struggling to find the right niche, understand affiliate marketing, or simply drive traffic to your site? I'm here with Profit Pulse, your essential guide to overcoming the challenges of affiliate marketing. From choosing profitable niches that spark your passion to mastering SEO and creating high-quality content, Profit Pulse provides actionable insights and strategies tailored for both beginners and seasoned marketers. Stop feeling overwhelmed by technical skills or compliance issues. Navigate the complexities of affiliate marketing with our expert advice and start scaling your business effectively. Don't miss out on elevating your affiliate marketing game. Visit digmarketing101.com/newsletter. Subscribe to Profit Pulse today and turn those affiliate marketing challenges into achievements. Let's grow your business together. The first point we need to focus on is selecting the right images. High quality, eye-catching images are absolutely crucial because they are the first thing that will capture a viewer's attention on Pinterest. You want to make sure that the image is not just visually appealing, but also relevant to the content you're promoting. It's a good idea to stay consistent with your brand aesthetics, colors, themes, and even the overall vibe matter here. Images with bright, vibrant colors tend to perform better. They pop more and are more likely to catch the viewer's eye as they scroll. Next, let's talk about the technical aspects for a moment. Pinterest recommends an aspect ratio of 2:3, such as 1000 x 1500 pixels, for your pins. This size works best because it ensures that your pins are easily viewable and searchable, whether on desktop or mobile devices. Poorly sized images can get cropped in odd ways and lose their visual impact, which is something you definitely want to avoid. Graphics and text overlays are another key component. When adding text to your image, clarity is everything. The text should be easy to read and straight to the point. Use clean, bold fonts and make sure the text doesn't clutter the image, but rather complements it. Text overlays can be used to highlight important messages or calls to action that you want your audience to notice immediately. Finally, always add alt text and descriptions. This might seem like a small detail, but it's incredibly important for SEO and accessibility. Descriptive, keyword-rich alt text can help your pins rank higher in Pinterest searches, making them more discoverable to users looking for similar content. So, how do you typically choose images for your Pinterest pins? Do you focus more on color, relevance, or perhaps the overall aesthetics? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your approach. One of the most overlooked aspects of Pinterest success is crafting compelling pin descriptions. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pinner, the way you write your descriptions can dramatically affect your reach and engagement. Start by including relevant keywords in your description. These are the search terms people are most likely to use when looking for pens like yours. Think about what your audience might type into the search bar. For instance, if you're sharing a delicious cupcake recipe, you might use keywords like easy cupcake recipes, homemade cupcakes, or frosting ideas. Incorporate these naturally into your descriptions to make your pens more discoverable. Next, make your descriptions informative yet concise. You want to give enough information to pique interest, but not so much that it feels like reading a novel. Mention what the pen is about, why it's valuable, and how it can solve a problem or fulfill a need. For example, rather than saying, "This is a cupcake recipe, try," whip up these easy, homemade cupcakes perfect for any celebration. Incorporating hashtags is another crucial element. On Pinterest, hashtags work like search keywords and can help your pins reach a broader audience. Be strategic. Use a mix of broad and niche hashtags. For example, for your cupcake pin, you might use hash baking, hash cupcake, and hash recipe, but also include more specific hashtags like hash vanilla cupcakes or hash party ideas. Finally, encourage engagement by asking a question or prompting a call to action. This can be as simple as, "What's your favorite cupcake flavor?" or "Try this recipe and let us know how it turns out in the comments below." So, how do you plan to enhance your pin descriptions moving forward? What keywords or hashtags will you try incorporating first?